Hi, happy birthday. This is Angelique Kang, your Viva artist. Enjoy your day and more auras to come. Ayan. God bless you and hope to meet you soon. Hi, it's Ayana Misola. Happy birthday. I-enjoy mo lang yung araw mo and more birthdays to come. Sana invite mo ako next time. Ayan. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Jobe! Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Yun lang. God bless.
Birthday mo daw, kapatid! Happy birthday sa'yo! Mag-ingat ka parating kung tangina mo ka!
Happy birthday, Juben! Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
Hi, Gray. Happy birthday to you. God bless.
Pare, happy birthday! Sana humaba pa ang yung... Ay, dumami pa lang yung birthday pa pala. Sabi ko ngayon. At sana maging masaya ka sa buhay mo ngayon. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you.
Mabuhay ka kung gusto mo.
Happy birthday to you.
Juben, happy birthday! Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo, puto mo.
Makapagpabati ka naman ng happy birthday, di ka naman nag-invita. Happy birthday! Enjoy ka! Birthday mo na to. Bye!
Happy birthday! Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. More birthdays to come from Tito.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Jubin, parang Jubin, happy birthday. Maraming salamat sa ibibigay mo mamayang pansin. Sana maraming biyaya. Tapos, birthday na idadagdag sa buhay mo. Pagpalain ka. Happy birthday, kamutik. Happy birthday, Jubin! Oh! Cake for you! Happy birthday!
Juben! Juben! Happy birthday! More birthdays to come! Happy birthday, Kamote! Enjoy your day! Thank you sa sa papansit mo mamaya sa katong cake. Thank you.
Juben, happy birthday! Thank you sa paputs mo and then enjoy lang kayo mamaya. More birthdays to come. Happy birthday!
Yo, happy birthday, Joben. Mr. Kamote ng Asten. Tamang duty lang si Manong Red. Yan, happy birthday sa'yo. Tsaka ingatin mo si kuya mo.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy
Juben! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Jubin!
Yung sawa daw, kinain ng pusa. Kinain ng pusa? Yung sawa, kinain ng pusa, sabi ni Arne.